I reached out to a company called VEVOR. I needed a couple of sawhorses. These are heavy duty sawhorses and they are 4-in-1. So they have a flat surface on one side, roller bearings on another, little adjustable rollers here. You put both those down at 45, it gives you a round area where you can carry a pipe or something like that. On the back side is a standard roller. These do rotate to the positions you need. We're gonna go ahead and get this one opened up because they work better in pairs. We'll get it put together and take a look and see what we think. There she is. So second one assembled. It does come with a little lock bolt that you can put through this plate over here, which is what controls the swivel function. Overall, assembly pretty straightforward, no major issues, a couple of wrenches. Let's go give it a whirl. Let's go try it out and see what we think. You'll see I'm using the roller bearings here on this application. I found later on, unfortunately I didn't film it, but the roller bar itself works better for the table saw. It doesn't allow the board to wander back and forth. These stands work incredibly well for outfeed tables. So table saw, band saw, chop saw, something where you're rolling around material and you, specifically if you're working by yourself, they work really well. Couldn't be more happy with them for that. This stand is designed to hold 440 pounds per sawhorse. So you'll see here I have quite a few boards stacked on top of this. This is no issue whatsoever for the sawhorses. The roller bearings work really well even under load. Haven't had any issues whatsoever. The sawdust does not get clogged up in those roller bearings. If you look closely, my chop saw is on a chop saw box and then on top of two plastic sawhorses. These VEVOR sawhorses would be ideal underneath my chop saw because of the adjustable height. You'll notice my chop saw is pretty high up in the air for kind of how I use it, but I make it work because those are the sawhorses I have. Probably will be looking to get another set of these VEVOR ones now that I've used these. Overall, the stand is very well built. A huge positive for me is the adjustment range in the height. So it goes from 33 to 50 inches, which in my application is really important because as you'll see here, my chop saw, the stand needs to be a little bit higher, but when I move over to my table saw, the stand needs to be a little bit lower. Most sawhorses don't have that adjustment feature. You end up stacking boards to try to make up the height adjustment and some other things. It doesn't work well. These work really well for this. They have a significant range of adjustment in the height. The roller bearings that you see me using here, I tend to use those a lot, especially in the application you're watching. It makes moving material around significantly easier, especially when you're working by yourself. Things roll around on them, you're not sliding, you're not damaging anything. It's a pretty nice feature. These sawhorses are relatively light for what their capacity is. They hold 440 pounds. They have 4 adjustment sides depending on what you need to use them for. They stow away nice and clean against a wall, so they tuck up and fold in nicely. Overall, I would definitely recommend these. The price point is good for what you get. Works really well in a wood shop or even out on a job site like you saw. If you have to move around material or you're working by yourself, this is definitely the way to go.